you could say. Something happened, and I'm just not 100% sure what it was. I mean, the night ended really nice. We hugged, and then we kind of just parted ways, and texted him that night, actually, and was like, you know, hey, had a great time, and he hasn't messaged me back at all, so I was just kind of curious as to, you know, like, what, what happened.
Did you tell any off-color jokes?
I mean, not that I'm aware of.
Did you quarry him? That's what we're asking.
Yeah, did you kill the room?
Oh, no, totally. I don't tell good jokes, so I try not to.
You know who else doesn't tell good jokes?
Me!
I wasn't going to say anything.
You did say something.
Well, that was all very concise. So, something went sideways, though.
Because if he changed towards the end of the date, something happened.
Yeah.
Maybe he made a mess in his pants.
I mean...
There it goes with the jokes.
It was just really normal, really casual. I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe I was such a turn on he did. You know, in his pants. I don't know.
That would probably be a first on second date update,
Why
right?
did it have to go to the... I mean, no, Corey.
Well...
I'll tell you what, Megan, we're going to put you on hold, and maybe we can help you out, okay? So we're going to call him, we'll have you on the phone, we'll have you mute, you can listen in, and we'll do it, we'll play a song, we'll do it, okay?
Okay.
All right, everybody hang on, and we'll call you next. It's the second date update, Star 1013.
Well, imagine as I'm pacing the pews in a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear, no, I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding, says a bride. But what a shame the poor groom's bride is a whore. I haven't seen people ever heard of closing a goddamn door. No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of force and rationality. I dive in. Haven't seen people ever heard of closing a goddamn door. No, much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of. Well, in fact, well, I'll look at it this way. I mean, technically, our marriage is saved. Well, this calls for a toast, though. In fact, well, I'll look at it this way. I mean, technically, our marriage is saved. Well, this calls for a toast. So pour the champagne, pour the champagne. I got in with
2000s, the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. We're doing second date update. We've been talking to Megan about our date with Logan. Now, we've got some hints here, don't we, ladies? Because it started out real cool, then Logan got progressively more withdrawing during the date. Is that fair to say, Megan?
Yeah.
Yes.
I gotta go.
I don't know where that came from, but cool. Anyway, let's see if we can figure this out. Megan, can you mute your phone and we'll give him a call?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, may I speak to Logan, please?
Yeah, this is Logan.
Hi, Logan. It's Marcus and Corey from Star 1013.
Oh, hi.
Hi. We do a little radio show
What's up?
to do a second date update.
Do you listen? Do you know the show?
Yeah. No, I know the second date update.
Great.
Perfect.
Do you enjoy it?
Well, I mean, I listen to it when I drive to work in the morning.
Okay, here we are. Would you like to be on it?
Yeah.
You know second date update, you know that we've got someone on the phone asking about you, wanting to know why she hasn't heard from you, and that would be Megan.
Yeah,
Megan, you there? Still?
Yep, I'm right here.
Okay. So Megan would like to go out again. We're here. She did sense you got a little progressively more withdrawn during the first date. What can you tell us about?
Well, honestly, Megan, she hit one of my, which is people that say offensive things without actually realizing what they're saying or doing. It happened throughout the entire time we were there. So we met up at Starbucks, and I love coffee, and so I was talking about how much I loved coffee, and she ordered an herbal tea, and she said something. She said, "Yeah, I used to be addicted to coffee too, and but I'm not." And it felt very directed towards me, the fact that I just ordered an espresso drink, and I don't feel like I'm addicted to coffee. I like coffee. It just felt very aggressive.
It's like judgy?
Yeah, a little judgy. And then later, we were talking about things we liked, and we talked about fitness. So I told her that I liked rock climbing, and she said, "Yeah, I used to like rock climbing too, but I got too good at it."
What?
It's just sort of like braggy, almost trying to one-up me.
All right.
How do you get too good at rock climbing?
I don't know.
Megan, are you catching this?
Yeah, I'm just a little confused though, because we were just talking, getting to know each other. I mean, it's not like I was lying or anything as I was saying about it. I don't feel like I was bragging. I was just, telling my truth, being honest.
No, I get that. That's fine. You can speak your truth. I'm totally fine with that. It starts to get on my nerves when all of it feels offensive. And it wasn't just me. The final straw for me was that we were just sitting there sort of people watching, and she commented on a couple of women that were walking by in their makeup. She said, "Yeah, no, I used to wear makeup like that, but those ladies really need it. I don't."
Wow.
That was the moment that I started to check out.
You can see how that might be aggressive, right?
Right, Megan?
I mean, I guess, yeah, in a sense. I mean, I didn't, say it in a way that was aggressive. I just said it. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't get it. I was just speaking my truth, being honest, and, I mean, that's just who I am. It's not like I'm going to change anything about that.
Oh.
I'm all for being honest, speaking your truth, that's fine. It's just when it is constantly at other people's expense and it's just irritating and offensive.
Should we even...
No.
No?
Nah. Not
right.
feeling it, yo.
Megan, you're not going to change, right?
No.
All right, hang on. That was a textbook lost cause. Second date update, 7:05 weekday mornings. Replay will be at 9:05. It's Tuesday. Don't forget, after the long weekend, what's coming up is something I don't even think Corey wants to talk about, to be honest.
I'm so sad right now. about the weather.
The heat over the weekend, though. We'll talk about what happened. I'll tell you about a massive husband fail that I did.
Ooh.
Dude, that's coming up in about 4 minutes. Star 1013.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time won't heal ya, but I ain't done much bleeding. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when you call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I'm trying to tell you I'm sorry for breaking. But it don't matter, clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're well.